Today I'm going to explain what parent pages are in Adobe InDesign. So I'm just going to create a new document. I'm going to go with inches, facing pages for a booklet. Just going to leave the margins default. Bleed is where color or background would bleed off the edge, but I'm not going to do that. Slug is the spacing between the pages. So I'm just going to create a new parent. These were previously called master pages, but now they're called parent pages. So I'm going to say OK to that. And I'm just going to create some basic elements on this layout. I'm going to show you how these elements should be positioned on a facing page layout. I'm going to create this. I'm going to do a new paragraph style. I'm going to add a rule underneath. Yes. Okay. And go to my style options. And I'm just going to offset this slightly. Nope. It has to be more. I'll go with that. I can even change the color of that. Let's go with a different color. Let's just say yellow. Okay, then I'm going to do my footer. And I usually position it under like a 0.5 inch margin. And I'm just going to insert type, insert special character, current page number, marker's current page number. So it's showing that my B parent, that's my B parent marker. So, but that's going to show up as an actual page number in the layout. So I'm going to do another style footer. Condensed 10 point, no rules. Let's save this. Then you could also put other copy next to this page marker. For example, the section of the book, whatever, you could put that. And then I'm just going to copy this. Opposite page. And change the alignment. And I'm gonna move this and position it here. So this is the basic setup for a parent page. I keep calling it a master page. So then you can drag this parent down to your pages layout. And these elements are still on the parent page, but they're also on each page as you create your pages. So I can add my variable information here. I can add tables, if it's a catalog, images, whatever needs to go on your page, but these will remain static elements and they're locked. Unless you unlock them. So I just unlocked it with Option Shift, Command Shift, and select it, and you can unlock it, disengage it from the master, and then I can make adjustments here. I can call this page 3 header. So you can make changes to that particular page. By the way you do a bullet, Option 8 on a Mac. So, but you can see so that's the parent. Drag down my next group of pages, and everything is in place unless I make changes to that particular, unless I kind of disconnect it from the parent and make changes to that particular element on the page. But anyway, that's a basic example of how parent pages work. And you can create different variations of a parent page for different sections of a book. For example, I could make this line red for a different section, or whatever, change the section markers for different parts of a catalog. And you can just keep your document organized that way. It's a really good way of organizing sections of a longer document. But that's my tip for today, how to create master pages and a little bit about how to create paragraph styles. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe, give me a like. Thank you for watching.